What did you do before becoming a farmer?
I am a writer. I'm a novelist. I've published 2 books, The Nine and Eden. I have another book coming out next year. I love creative writing. I always have. I feel like it's the best way I know how to express all that it means to be human.
Who inspires you the most?
My kids. I have 3 kids, 29, 28, and almost 26. They are such good people. They've made me a better person since they were able to talk and look up at me.
What are your favorite hobbies?
I love to be outdoors. It's spring now, so I'm walking the land a lot, but during the winter time I am a true ski bum. Fresh air, exercise, and I think I do my best thinking while I'm moving. So,
What would you say to your younger self now?
don't worry so much. It's going to be a long and winding journey, but you will arrive at the place you are meant to be.